Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn off your Samsung S22 Ultra. As you can see, when you long press power button, it doesn't power off, it brings 𝗵𝗂𝗶𝗁. So what you should do is long press both volume down and power key. Just long press, you'll see the power off, restart and other options. So you can press power off to turn off the phone. That is step 1. You can use method 2, which is swipe down 2 times, swipe again and press the icon power off. You can now power off. Alternatively, click slide button and set power off menu. Now you can just long press power key and you'll see the option power off activated. Now you can power off the device. Thank you.